All right, so we're going to keep our discussion on multi-line going with this another modifier as well. And this one is related to the alignment of the text. So if you notice, let me reduce the content here. Okay. Reduce one more. There we go. Okay, so if you notice that our content is actually currently aligned on leading side, right? Well, you can change that for multi-text alignment case. So there is a modifier called multi-text, multi-line text alignment. And what it takes is basically it can align your text based on these three alignments. So you have like, your leading alignment, which is default, trailing alignment, which is everything is like, line on the trailing side, and there is a center line. So content is aligned on the center axis, like, this center right here. All right, so that's how you can control your alignment. Once again, the default is the leading. All right, so that's how you can control your multi-line text alignment.